Hello YouTube, welcome to Infinite Flight. Sorry I didn't use my voice in some of the videos I done. The last video I done, which is the Aero Mexico 737 flight. I tried to do the second part, but it was too long, so it wouldn't let me, so that's done. So today we're doing a flight from Sydney, so YSSY to, where are we going? To YJBY. I don't know what that is. I'll just check. So that is in, not telling me. Okay, it's in the middle of the sea. That's all I know. Okay, let's get started. Resume. Yeah. Okay, let's start pushback now. Then we're on a Qantas A380. As you can see, we will now start to push back. You can see how the engines are massive, very big. Okay, let's just get lined up on that line there, and we'll taxi to runway. The nearest one, which is over there. The nearest one is over there. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's going on green now. Don't know why. Oh, that's better. Okay, stop, push back there. For now. I go to the normal one. Flaps 5. Nope. 1. That's ready for takeoff then. Keep power 10%, 11%. Hopefully we should start moving now. If not, don't know why. Come on! Oh my god. Is this plane gonna move or not? Oh wait, I forgot I've got the gears on. Oh, brakes on, sorry. Brakes off. Let's see if it's gonna move now. Still not going anywhere. Let's try one like that. Speed, yep, speeding up. Okay. Okay, and we're 10. And we're slowing down again. And we start again. Come on, please don't stop. I have to turn fully now. Okay, now we're on the line. We can start normal taxi. Heading, just keep the heading on for now. What, the speed and everything else we will control. Tell you what, I will not keep the heading on for now actually. We'll keep it here for now. Yeah. The runway starts over there, so we're gonna have to turn at the next turning. Not this one, but the one after maybe. Yeah. Heading off, turning. Oh, going too fast maybe. Just slow it down. Everything's gone green again for some reason. And we're off again. Hopefully. I'll slow the plane a little bit down. the load is 64%. Not sure why, but that's okay, I guess. I think because this plane is very, very big, needs a lot of runway to be able to take off, so I won't turn here, I'll turn out the other one. In this game you can play solo, you can play multiplayer, you basically got every mode in any game basically. So yeah. And it's green again. That really shouldn't happen. It's very annoying when that happens. Okay. We're turning on runway 7 now, I think. I'm off the runway. No, not actually. What am I? Let's just slow that to 0%. And brakes on. Okay. Alright. Takeoff checklist. Okay. Flaps 1. Okay. Heading checklist. I think the heading we need is... not really sure, but I'll just check. YSSY heading check 185. Oh, too much. Okay. There we go. Speed we'll keep at 200. 200 something at least. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oops. Oh. And oops. There. 185, speed 1 should be 2. There we go, 260. That's fine. Altitude we'll keep at 120,000 feet. Look, too much. On the 30,000, 120,000. There. Oh. There. Okay. Takeoff checklist finished. Oh. Brakes off. Power 41%, 33% now actually. 42%. 59%. 100%. Okay. 90 knots, check. 110 knots, check. 140 knots, check. V1, rotate. V2, positive rate, gear up. Okay. Power 84. Okay. Beautiful view of the A380 taking off. Okay, and you have to turn now. I'll keep the power at 70% for now. You shouldn't hopefully 260. 260. Oop. There we go. Oh, no, 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 no. Oops, too much. There we go. Altitude again. Yep, that's it. 12,000 feet. So autopilot is now on. Okay, there's Sydney International Airport right there. Flaps 0. Slowing down now. Hopefully we should make our way safely to the airport, to our destination. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you YouTube for joining my takeoff. This is part 1 and part 2 will be coming to you very shortly. Bye.